जिनका विज्ञान, यूं तो मनुष्य की आंखों में अनेकों बीमारियां हैं जिनका वैज्ञानिक आदिकाल से उपचार खोजने का प्रयत्न कर रहे हैं, किंतु आज तक उसका सही सटीक उपचार नहीं खोज पाए। इन्हीं रोगों को असाध्य रोग कहा जाता है। इनमें से कुछ बीमारियां हैं जैसे
I have RP.
What do you mean by RP? Retinitis pigmentosa.
इसमें आंखों के पर्दे व नसों में खराबी आ जाती है। रात्रि में कम दिखाई देने से इस रोग की शुरुआत होती है और जीवन अंधकार
To you,
Thank you very much.
your son got tremendous improvement which was not imaginable to the whole world, not only me. I was not thinking he will improve this much, but tremendous improvement in this kid. This child got miracle in his life and God gave him the vision. We can't think about that. How much he got from a little time. In 3 weeks, he just improved thousands of times. So what will you like to say to the people of the world?
I'm very thankful, very happy today on seeing the improvement of my child, his vision in all fields. Definitely, as Dr. Rishabh says, we didn't imagine that he would improve so much in such short time, and definitely it's something great and something that everyone else who is suffering from the same disease should come out and try with Dr. Rishabh. The treatment is very simple, it's not complicated, and it produces results, and that is the main thing that all patients need. We need results, and these results are being achieved here by Dr. Rishabh, and I'm very thankful to him and for the work and research that he is carrying out, and he should continue that.
So I am thankful that person who sent you here, and I am also thankful the YouTube who is publishing my videos, and you see that video and came here to India. This is all faith and ambition to get vision. This is our ambition. What is there, which is missing is most precious for us. If you get loss of billions of rupees, you can earn again. But once you lost your vision totally, and all the doctors of the world say that this is not possible to give you vision, then the property of billions of rupees is
Not of any benefit.
not of any benefit, and this is useless for you. Only for survival this can help you, but all the things of nature and all the beauty of the nature, if you won't see and you are dependent on for anyone, then this is the most serious curse of the world. For every step you need someone. Yes, come here, and take a person, a child like you, any child of this world. Those who knows that this is a problem, this is incurable, he will die every second. He will be every second he feel that I am not a fake human, and I am just a diseased person who is going to be a blind. And this is the same thing. A prisoner got punishment is called Phasi, death sentence for them, and he is counting every time he is counting that one day, first, second day, third day, fourth day, every time he count the days of his life. And such child also, those are going to be a blind child only, the young one, the person who are young, those are think to be the main stem of the, if they got this disease, and the old father kept their hand and take them for treatment, what they think you can't imagine about them. Is it in the old age the young son is the base of the father? If he is blind and father has to kept his hand, then you think about that, because you are also a father of a 10-year-old boy. Every time his father also think that what is there, what is life. This is punishment for me and punishment for the world. There a person is blind due to treatment. There is no treatment in the world, but I have searched this treatment. With guarantee I can improve the vision of a blind person due to RP. If he had other diseases also, vision will improve gradually. It may take time, but vision will gradually improve. Confidently fight. I will fight for whole life against this blindness due to any cause, genetic or hereditary or other incurable diseases which are not treatable now. So please help me in fighting against the blindness. Thanking you all.
Thank you. Thank you.
Would you like to say people must help Dr. Rishabh Jain.
Definitely, people should help Dr. Rishabh by sending the patients here, and in that way, everyone will be assisted. Patients, Dr. Rishabh, which will also continue, and more patients are referred to Dr. Rishabh. Least the of the treatment will even be more affordable. It will come down, and as a result, more people will be able to do the treatment at a much lower rate.
Such pupils, those are having a lot of money and they donate for this and that work. They should help for this research work against blindness.
Definitely, they should contribute to this cause of Dr. Rishabh's research. Also, they can fund patients who cannot afford to come here on their own. They can fund their treatment.
Thanking you and requesting you, all the peoples of the world, that please help those blind, those are not having money, or they are having crisis of this. Because of this crisis of money, they are unable to come for treatment. So please help such poor patient and cooperate and manage them for that. And this is the most humble part of the life, most humble request by me, that you must help the person who is going to be blind. You are just saving a person, trying for society. When eye is gone, then person thinks worse in his life. If their family, their near dear not help him, so please help such person. Those are having eyes but they are blind. So please help in eye vision redevelopment to all the persons. Those are sufferer in this world. Thanking you very much. Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.
दिल मध्य प्रदेश के मध्य में बसा ये उज्जैन नगर है। उज्जैन के मध्य में गोपाल मंदिर छत्री चौक के पास हॉस्पिटल है। उज्जैन नेत्र चिकित्सालय।